Welcome, I'm Mia from WoCreative. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily use our color-coded PSD mockups so you can create stunning designs with no hassle. We've made it super easy to avoid any mistakes by color-coding the layers. Let me walk you through it. When you purchase one of our mockups, it'll come with a few different files, each organized and labeled for a smooth experience. Just like our color-coded layers in the PSD files, we keep the folder structure organized too. Here's what you'll find in each mockup folder: stock code plus E. This stands for empty. It's a PNG or JPEG file that you can easily use on platforms like Canva, perfect for straightforward designs. Stock code plus PSD. This is your Photoshop mockup file, which we'll dive into in just a moment. Stock code plus X. These are optimized for Canva, but still have some layered, complex features. For example, if there's a leaf on top of a frame, you can add your design behind the leaf, keeping that realistic layered look. We also include some note files if we have extra tips or instructions, but it's optional if you want to check that out. Now, let's get to the PSD mockup itself. Once you open your file, you'll see the layers on the right side of your screen. To make things easier, we've color-coded everything. Purple layers are important. Do not delete or modify them. These layers are necessary for the mockup to work properly. Pink layers are for things you can delete. These might include placeholder elements or instructions you don't need. Green layers are where you'll add your design. These are the editable layers where you'll drop your artwork. So, to add your design, just look for the green layer labeled Your Design here. Double-click the thumbnail of this layer and a new window will open. Inside this window, you'll find 3 layers. The top layer is labeled Your Design here. You can either drag and drop your design file right onto this layer or copy and paste it in. Below it is a pink layer labeled Delete Me. You can go ahead and delete this if you don't need it. Finally, there's a purple layer labeled Do Not Delete This Area. Keep this one exactly as it is. Once your design is in place, just save the changes, Ctrl+S, and close the window. When you return to the main file, you'll see your design perfectly positioned within the mockup frame. And that's it. This simple, color-coded system is consistent across all our products, from wall art to candles and beyond. Just edit the green layers and your mockup is ready. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And don't forget to check out our blog and shop for more helpful mockups and tips. The links are in the description. Thanks for watching and happy designing.